A very pleasant, happy morning to one and all. Myself, Kusma. I have completed my 10th graduation at St. Claret School. So when I am free, I have come across many websites. So I have come across the Anusandhan classes. By listening the name Anusandhan itself, I like it very much because the word Anusandhan means it's a place where to pray for an achieve a name. So for coming across the word Anusandhan itself, I have thought that many people come here will come with a name but not just for time pass. So I have got an interest to attend Anusandhan classes. So that's my first foundation to attend. So when I have attend Anusandhan classes, coming to my personal life, my unfavorite subject is social. I hate social very much besides maths. So whenever someone asks me which is my unfavorite subject, I always suggest social. But if I really did not come to Anusandhan classes, that would be my final analysis. But after coming here, I entirely changed my decision. Just up to now, I don't know the value of the social, the topics in it, what are the information skills that the social provide. For this, I especially my heartfully thank the faculty of the KP 21st Century IAS Academy to open my mindset and to come across to me what actually the life demands for. And coming to my personal, my aim in my life is to become an IAS officer. So before coming here, I have an open statement about an IAS officer. It is a job as dynamic as being a civil servant that will utilize all my capacities and capabilities. But after coming here, after attending the 4 days of Anusandhan classes, after interacting with the faculty, I have added a few more statements into the statement which actually the position of IAS officer demands for. That is, it is a job as dynamic as being a civil servant that will utilize all my capacities and capabilities, and it will be a journey of large mindedness where I will be able to take care of others' dreams, their life, their ambitions apart from my own. And coming to my college, as my dream is IAS from my childhood, I am going to join KP 21st Century IAS Academy. It will provide inter plus integrated courses. So why the reason I choose is that if we come across any situation, many of the IAS officers who going to field go from the BTech itself. So going from the BTech itself, there is only two things which will not be come back. Those are, one is age and the second one is the time. So as we come across 5 years of coaching, we will be a well-trained IAS officer from the right age itself. So if you suggest, if your aim is to become an IAS officer or if your aim is to crack UPSC exams, I personally believe or I personally suggest the best college is KP 21st Century IAS Academy. It has many branches, that is in Hyderabad, Rajahmundry, anything. So you can come across any of the college and you can join. Thank you one and all.